Hello and welcome. My name is Caitlin. This is Sunflower Spirit Wellness, where your spirit blooms no matter the season. We're in for another 5-minute reset today. So go ahead and come down to a comfortable seat. You can be on your shins to stretch your ankles the whole time, or you can be on your seat or even in a chair. All is well. And let's get started. Today is all about the neck and the shoulders. Go ahead and relax your shoulders back. Take a nice deep breath in. Exhale out. Inhale, lift your shoulders to your ears. Exhale, relax them back. Inhale, roll them forward, lift up to your ears. Exhale, roll them back and down. Inhale, come forward, lift, roll up to your ears. Exhale, roll them back and down. Inhale, lift up to the ears. Exhale, back and down. Inhale, rotate your left shoulder up and back. And while it's back, lift your right. Doing like two separate shoulders, but together in a fluid dance. Breathe. Good. Keep going, but rotate forward now. You want to let your hands hang by your side. That makes it easier. Go right ahead. Shimmy, shimmy, shake. And then pause and roll both shoulders forward and up, and then down and pull back. Good. Inhale up. Exhale down and back. One more time. Go ahead and relax your shoulders. Maybe shake them out. Inhale, sweep your arms up to the ceiling. Exhale, clasp your fingers and rest your hands gently on top of your head. Take a nice deep breath. Lower your head over to the right. Inhale. Exhale out. Notice if the weight of your hands adds some depth, or if it's too much, release one hand. See how one does. If you need to release both, go for it. Inhale, lift your head back up. Keep your hands or leave them down. And exhale over to the left. Nice deep breath. Inhale, lift back up. Exhale, release your hands to the sides. And then go ahead and do some neck rolls. Roll your chin down to the center and up to either side. Do half circles to start. Let your body adapt and slowly ease into the stretch. Sit in this 5 minutes to just let go. Create a little fluid movement in your body. Do a couple more from side to side, half circles. And then go ahead and rotate back. Maybe pause in the middle. Your chin up towards the ceiling. And then gently rock your head side to side with your chin up. And if you'd like to do half circles, going backwards with your chin up, go for it. Do a couple more. And then gently glide your head up to center. Inhale your hands together at heart center. Bow in. Thank your body for its movement, for this moment. Namaste. Thank you. Thank you for spending 5 minutes with me. It goes by quick, I know, but these 5-minute resets for you to just let things go and move forward with your day. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Can't wait to see you in the next one. I love you. Goodbye.